Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to SMS. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to automatically send text message notifications whenever someone submits a form on your website, making it perfect for lead alerts, appointment confirmations, or urgent customer inquiries. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section houses all the forms you've created and allows you to manage them efficiently. Now you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Browse through and select the specific form you want to connect to SMS. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button next to it. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new form from scratch and follow the same steps. Either way, you'll be taken into the Form Builder interface where you can customize everything inside the Form Builder. Look toward the top of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your form are located, including integrations, notifications, and form behaviors. From the Settings menu, you'll notice a left side panel with several options. Click on Integrations. This section is the hub for connecting your Jotform to various third-party services and applications, allowing your form to communicate with other platforms seamlessly. In the Integrations area, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in ClickSend SMS and hit Enter. ClickSend is a popular service that enables SMS delivery, and it works perfectly with Jotform for sending automated text messages. Once the search results appear, click on the ClickSend SMS option. Next, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Zapier Templates. Zapier acts as the bridge between Jotform and ClickSend, automating the workflow without requiring any coding knowledge. After selecting the Zapier template, you'll see a button that says Use this Zap. Click on it. This will redirect you to Zapier's platform where you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one quickly. It's free to get started. Once logged in, Zapier will guide you through connecting your Jotform and ClickSend accounts, allowing you to customize when and how SMS messages are sent based on form submissions. And that's it. You've successfully set up an SMS connection with your Jotform, ensuring you never miss an important submission again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.